Greenworks is a game changer.
Greenworks stacks up great compared to the gas-powered stills.
Is far superior to the DeWalt. Runtime's a lot longer, power's a lot better, and it's quiet.
Everything that I use works. I'm so easy to use. When you have the Greenworks tools, work is fun.
I think it's hard for people to wrap their heads around not burning gas because they don't know what the alternative is. But when you use batteries, it's quieter, cleaner, costs less money, it's less to maintain. So I think there's a huge opportunity for people to make the switch from combustion to battery-powered equipment.